No, babe. Dear. Go away. Hi, guys.
Hello,
Welcome
hello,
back to your
everyone.
channel.
Welcome back to the Megabush
Yeah.
family. This week we're going to be testing each other's general knowledge. So she's going to be testing me about
Jamaican
Yeah,
stuff.
she's going to be testing my knowledge on Jamaica. And then I'm also we're going to do another video. So it's going to be like
Part
two,
one and part two.
part one and part two. So
Yeah.
on the first video, she's going to be testing me on my knowledge of Jamaica. And then on the second one, I'll be testing her on the knowledge of Zimbabwe.
Yeah, we've been married for what? Almost 4 years. Next month it'll be 4 years.
This month, actually.
This month. Oh yeah, it's
On the
already Feb.
the
It'll
month
be
of
4
love.
years in the month of love. We'll celebrate 4 years together. So I mean, 4 years of being married means you should know a lot about Jamaica, and I should know a lot about Zim, especially since I'm living here.
The structure is it's divided. It's 20 questions divided into 4 categories. So each category is 5 questions. So we're going to have the first section being history, and heritage. The second being
Culture and language.
The third being sport, and then the final one being music and entertainment. So
hope you're entertained.
yeah, and we hope you find something you like there. And please, like always, if there's any mistake, please do correct us in the comment section.
Yeah, and also, guys,
Please,
thank you.
I
There's
don't
someone
see.
who. Oh yeah, there's someone who bought us coffee last time. Do you remember her name?
It was his or her name.
His or her name. We'll put it in. Thank you so much,
Much
for
for
the
buying.
coffees.
Yes.
And if you haven't bought us a coffee yet, it's almost winter in Zimbabwe.
Please
ahead
do
and
buy
buy
us
some
a coffee.
All right, let's start.
So I'm now in the
Start with
hot
Jamaica.
seat officially. Yeah. So
Hot
hit me.
seat. Which category should we start with?
We already said we're starting with the.
Oh yeah, history and heritage.
yes.
Okay. So my first question to you, babe. When did Jamaica gain its independence?
Yo.
Date.
I wouldn't know the date, but maybe the year. Must have been 19. You mean
Gotcha.
1930, 1937? Nah, I don't know this. Honestly.
So Jamaica got its independence on August 6th, 1962.
You know what? I actually saw
Independence Day?
No, I actually read this somewhere. Then I remember that it was the year. It's very close to my mom's birthday.
Yep.
Oh my word.
Which countries colonized Jamaica?
Which countries colonized Jamaica? The first one was Spain. I know the first one was Spain.
And then?
And then it was the British. Since the British
Yeah,
came
well done.
and
Ding,
took
ding.
over. Thank you.
Okay, so 1 out of 5 so far.
Yes, let's go.
Where do Jamaicans have their roots? Like, where
it's
are our ancestors from?
It's a mixed bag, but
Predominantly.
but predominantly I think it's West Africa, and then you've got some Indians in there, some white people also, Irish I think.
Don't look at my questions.
I hope you're keeping record.
Who is Nanny of the Maroons in Jamaican heritage, and what is she known for?
Nanny of the Maroon was a famous heroine, a runaway slave. She led a slave revolt in Jamaica.
Okay.
And she ran away to the bush, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
To a deeper part of the bush, and she basically led a resistance.
Okay. And what specific story is she known for? That was supernatural.
I'm not too sure, but if my mind serves me well, didn't she block some bullets with the buttocks? Is it the one or?
Correct. Yeah,
I got it.
That's the story.
But I can see.
High five.
Okay.
Good
I
job.
don't want to see the answers, please.
Yeah, don't look. Okay. What are the full names of Jamaica's main political parties? Not just the abbreviation, the full name.
Hey, those are like 2 questions. Okay, I'll start with my favorite, the
Please keep
PNP.
this video apolitical.
Oh, okay.
Your favorite.
PNP. PNP must be the People's National Party.
Okay.
And then there's the JLP, right? It must be the Jamaican Labour Party.
Very good. Which
Yeah.
is the ruling party currently, and our prime minister is?
Brogard.
Pick up yourself, bro, God. But properly, it's the Honorable
Andrew Holness.
Andrew
Honorable
Holness.
Andrew Holness.
My loved
yes.
Prime Minister. You're doing so well in Jamaica. Shout out to you. Okay, so that's
Yeah, that's it. So that's
5. So you got 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Not bad. Next category, culture and language, right?
Yes, culture and language.
What is Jamaica's official language? What we official language? What we officially talking in Jamaica? Which language?
English.
Thinking about buying a chest, cool it down in my house and put my money in there. Bank not see if I get.
To this day, Patois is not recognized as a language. It's more of a dialect.
Yes.
So
It's Creole.
English, yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
somewhere along the spectrum. So English is actually our official language in Jamaica. There's no other official language. Yeah, okay, good. What does the proverb, the Jamaican proverb, one cocoa full basket mean?
What?
One cocoa full basket.
One cocoa full basket. I think, okay, I slightly understand, or maybe, but this is just a wild guess. So I think it would mean progress is done like slowly. So maybe you start with one cocoa and then you add. That's how you progress.
What's cocoa?
Cocoa isn't that coffee?
Wetin be this?
So in
coconuts.
Jamaica, cocoa is like a type of tuber, I think. If that's
Type
the
of
correct-
what?
It's like a yam, but it's not yam. It's like a
Oh,
yeah. So we call
okay.
it cocoa. There's like dashin, yam, cocoa. So one cocoa full basket. So if you put one potato at a time, you'll fill a basket, right?
Oh, okay.
But your meaning was actually correct.
Oh,
It's
okay.
just that you didn't know what cocoa is.
So I get that, right?
But you get it. It's correct.
Okay, good.
Basically, small efforts
That's
eventually
really-
bring success.
Yeah.
What's Jamaica's national dish?
Jamaica's national dish. It must be ackee. Is it ackee?
Ackee and
Ackee and saltfish.
ding 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 ding. Well done. Okay. What is jankunu in Jamaica?
Jankuno.
Jankunu.
Uh,
We call it jankunu in Jamaica, but I think
I know it.
Junkanu or-
I know.
You know
This one
Jankuno?
I know. Isn't
Wow.
it an equivalent of here in Zimbabwe we call it what? Here in Zimbabwe we call it what in Shona. I've shown you the people. It's called Jigure. Jigure, those people will be dancing like cultural.
What's the idea
with this.
behind jiguri?
Jigure. I don't know, it's some sort of spirit appeasement, but that's what Jankuno must be. Here they call Jigure. So if you're Zimbabwean and you know the concept
Is
of
jigure and jankunu the same? Let us know in the comments below. Last question. When you want to marry a Jamaican woman, is there a cultural practice involved, like paying bride price?
Nah.
So what do you do when you want to marry a Jamaican woman? You just married with for free? You just take them for free?
Buy an expensive ring. No, you have to talk to the dad. Usually, as a guy, you have to have a conversation with the dad, sit down, ask for the blessing, and then, yeah.
Okay, that's acceptable.
Engage.
You talk to the
engage
parents.
And
And you get engaged.
or you can just go to the court and without telling anyone and get married. You guys are
But-
not sticklers.
Yeah, we're not
to-
sticklers on protocol.
On protocol like us guys.
But ideally, you really should, like, talk to the parents, let them know you're planning it. And then the family knows before even the chick that you're gonna get down on one knee and propose. By the way, a lot of people have asked, did you get down on one knee and propose?
I did. I did. And
My African husband.
and if you want to see how the Zimbabweans do it, we did a video when my
Bride
cousin
Price.
when my cousin was getting married. So if you want to know how the Zimbabwean marrying culture or how we get married, you can go
Check
ahead.
out that video.
Yeah.
It's called Bride Prize something Labola.
Yeah,
Getting
we'll put
married
the
soon.
link in the comment. Yeah.
Okay, 2 categories down. You got what?
This one I got
4 out of
everything.
5, and this
No,
one you got
Everything. I got
5 out of 5. Okay, fine. 2 categories to go. Let's go quickly.
Sports first,
Okay.
yeah.
How many Olympic gold medals does Jamaica have?
How many Olympic gold medals does Jamaica have? Oh, I actually don't know, but I think there are a lot. Clue? Can you give me a
It's
clue?
more than 20.
More than 20? 30?
Okay, not quite. 26.
26, okay.
How many does Zimbabwe have?
Olympic gold medals? I'm not too sure, but they must be in the teens.
Next question, babe.
Yeah.
Which university did Usain Bolt attend?
Usain Bolt went to university.
Why would you?
No, I
why
just-
would you
I
ask
just-
if you?
I
Of
know,
course,
I
he
just-
went to
I just
university.
assumed he was a
Bolt,
career.
please don't
I
take
just,
offense.
I just assumed he was
Please,
a career. I just
please don't take
assumed.
offense to him.
I just
Yes,
assumed he
went
was a
to
career athlete.
But career athletes do go to university. A lot of them go to university.
Okay, so at least a clue. Did he go to? Did he go to
The
an
que-
American or
No, it was
Jamaican?
it was Jamaican. He
So
stayed in
I think it
Jamaica.
has to be Yui then.
UE. So I went to UE. That's why you said UE.
No, I would assume because you once told me that you used to train there or something.
Yeah, so I stayed on AZ Preston Hall while I was in uni, my tenure in UE. So that was close to where he often trained. So yeah, that's why you know that story. But he didn't actually come to UE. He just trained.
So where did you go?
sometimes.
You take.
Yeah, UTech. That's my brother's uni. My brother is Alderman.
Okay.
So you got that one wrong.
This sucks
Usain
too.
Bolt actually went to university at UTech. Okay.
Okay.
The University of Technology. Who is Merlin Otti?
Melin Oti.
Merlin Otti. Every Jamaican know that name. Merlin Otti.
I assume it's the fastest Jamaican female sprinter.
Right now?
Not right now. Or maybe the first. But this is
First what?
first Jamaican female sprinter or first Olympian. Might have gotten a gold, probably.
Okay. Should we give it to him, guys? Tell us in the
Please
comment
do.
below.
Please do. Because
So she was
I'm
the
sucking
first
at this.
Caribbean, entire Caribbean, not just Jamaica. She was the first female Caribbean athlete to win a medal in the gold.
You said Merlin Oti.
Merlin Otti.
Oh, okay.
We
I've
grew
learned
up
something.
learning about Merlin Otti in school. You did often know about Merlin Otti. Sometimes they would ask you these questions in what I'm call it physical education class. Merlin Otti.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Which Jamaican athlete is married to a Ghanaian? So they're intercultural, just like we are.
Oh. Asafa Pao.
Yep. Ding, ding, ding. You got that right. Asafa is married to a beautiful Canadian Ghanaian lady. Yeah.
What's her name?
Model. She's actually a model.
Oh,
right?
she's a model.
Yeah. My dear husband. How much time we beat, in a cricket? How much time West Indies beat Zimbabwe? Let's just rest
Actually,
on which
I
team
don't know.
is better and which team is the best.
I don't know.
I don't know. How convenient is that?
How many times? I don't know how many times they've
But
beaten
we've
us.
beaten you more than you've beaten
No,
us, right?
I don't think so.
Oh,
The last time we actually played was here in Zimbabwe,
I
and we
mean,
beat you guys. We
that's
beat you
fine.
guys. That was the last time we played.
36 times out of the 49 times we've met.
36 out of 49 times.
Guys, fact check me, okay? I got this from Google.
Okay, fine.
36 times of the 49 times the West Indies has beaten Zimbabwe. So I think that's an end to that
Yeah.
story.
You shouldn't be celebrating too much because remember you walk on the streets of Zimbabwe every other day. So you should
So
actually
what?
be sympathizing.
Why should I sympathize?
Yeah,
No, I'm Jamaican to my bone. West Indies all the way.
We don't take it too
Zimbabweans,
kindly.
I love you. You guys are welcoming and all that. But I have to be on the West Indian team. That's where I'm from. So yeah, music and entertainment.
Music and entertainment.
Yay! Don't look at my questions.
I'm
Stop
not looking.
on my paper.
I'm not looking.
Right.
Yeah. Give it to me,
What's
give it
the
to me.
name of the biggest dancer? Can I ask these questions in patois? Okay.
Yeah, man.
What the name of the biggest dancehall artist right now currently imprisoned in Jamaica?
Khadija Palmer.
What?
Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel, yes. What's-
Adija, is it Khadija Palmer or
It's
Adija?
not Ka, it's
Adija Palmer.
Well
yeah.
done.
Yeah.
Who's my favorite male Jamaican artist, if it's one, or artists, if it's more than one, and female Jamaican artist?
Male.
Male and female.
I'd say Chronics.
Chronics is one, yes. Big up Chronics.
And then number 2, isn't it that other light-skinned Rasta boy?
Ooh, Protege.
Protege.
Protege, my brother loves Protege.
Kabaka?
Actually. Kabaka. Big up Kabaka. I like
Kabaka
him, but it's not
Pyramid?
my all-time favorite.
All-time favorite.
So Chronics and two more.
Chronics and
Or
two more.
older than Chronics. I always listen to their music, babe.
I only know
I
Chronics.
always listen to their music and play and sing in the house.
You don't listen to the music, you're lying. You're lying, you don't. Because if you listen.
Nothing at all, feel the king.
Is that Fantan?
Yes, Fantan Moja, and there's a third one.
You like Fantan Moja that much? I know you like Fantan, but I didn't know you like Fantan
I
Moja
always
that
listen
much.
to his
Okay.
music.
Fantan. Another what? A third. Is it a female?
Male
Third male.
that I always listen to, babe.
Sizzler.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Just think
Sizzler,
about all the
yeah,
music
yeah,
women
Sizzler, I know
women and
Sizzler.
I also made the chores and may play Jamaican
No, you're
music.
lying. You don't play music.
Don't, babe, stop.
Should we tell the people the truth or lie
Tell
to
the
them? Oh, okay.
truth.
I knew Chronics because she listens to Chronics. You're my wife.
Me not listen to
I-
Fantan.
You play Fantan music, but not to the point. I think I actually play more
Okay.
Fantan music than you.
All right, fine.
And then
So
the
we just play
female,
Chronics.
I don't know. The female
Who's the
probably,
female?
probably what's her name? Janine.
Yeah, Janine. Still love you, Janine. Last time I checked, she was here in Africa. I think she was in Tanzania.
Is it Tanzania or Kenya?
Yeah. So, and I actually once featured in her video, one of her videos, it's called Avocado. I put it in the screen.
You see, my wife is multi-talented.
I was once in a video, guys.
Yeah, you should. Please, if you want to see, I think she should actually do a song and have her
What
own
song?
video. I don't know.
Yeah, guys, I do a lot of things apart from being a doctor and doing YouTube. So many things, but none of them make me money. So if you know of a way that I can monetize all those talents, you can let me know. For now, they're just talents.
Yeah.
Anyway, where in Jamaica was Bob Marley born?
Bob Marley.
Born. Not
Born.
raised, not
Not raised.
Like live, where did he live?
I know he
where
was
was he
born in
born?
some village.
In a village?
He wasn't born in Trenchtown. He moved to Trenchtown.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay, at least
is it
which
St.
parish?
Thomas? St. Thomas. Or Mandeville?
Guys, my husband says Bob Marley did born in St. Thomas.
I don't know. I honestly, but I know he was born in some rural area.
Okay, so he was born in 9 Miles, St. Anne.
Nah, you know what? I would have never gotten it. It's okay.
But at least the parish, St. Anne.
St. Anne, I was. When we talk of parishes, St. Anne is not the first one that will come to my mind.
Which parishes do you think of?
They're the obvious ones, right?
Like,
you
everybody's
know,
a Kingston. So where are you from? Kingston,
Kingston,
Jamaica?
St. Thomas, Portland, where you're from, obviously. St. Anne,
Why me never ask if
Ocho
Actually, can we add an extra question? Let's add an extra question. Can you name the parishes of Jamaica?
That would be the 15th one.
Name the parishes.
That would be a bonus one.
No.
That would be a bonus. Okay,
fine,
let's go
finish.
through this,
It's
and then I'll
fine.
do the bonus.
Last question in music and entertainment. Before the birth of reggae music in Jamaica, what were the popular music genres?
Popular music genres.
Before reggae.
Must have been like rock and roll, like this type of
Rock and roll. Rock and roll
like
in Jamaica.
That Elvis Presley type of music.
Jamaican popular music, like Jamaican music in Jamaica before reggae.
Yeah.
Rock and roll. No, babe, try again.
Rock and roll must have been before reggae.
Before reggae.
There was no music in Jamaica before reggae.
So let's educate him and all the viewers watching who think there was no music before reggae in Jamaica. Number 1 was Mento.
Mental.
Then there was Ska.
I was actually going to say skunk.
Ska.
Skunk.
And then there was Rocksteady. Ooh, to this day I like Rocksteady. Rocksteady was before my time, but me like Rocksteady. Do you know Rocksteady?
Oh, it's a decent girl. Yes, it's a decent. I'm Mr. Taxi. And everybody nice.
So Mento, Ska, and Rocksteady. Well done, babe. I think that's it. What was your final score? You got 15 out of a possible what? 20.
20, yeah.
Not
That's
bad.
what, 75%.
Well done.
Yeah, thank you.
Name the parishes, the
Parishes,
14 parishes in Jamaica.
Oh, they're 14, not 15.
Some people did want to make it 15. I don't know if that changed. I haven't been
Is
in
Kingston a
Jamaica
parish?
for a while.
It must be, huh?
Answer the question.
Okay, so I'll go Kingston,
Yes.
Kingston, St. Thomas,
Yes.
Portland,
Yes.
St. Anne,
Yes.
Mandeville. It's not
Mandeville is
Mandeville.
not a parish.
Manchester, isn't it in Manchester? Crossroads.
Jesus!
Not Manchester, not Crossroads. Final 5. Let's see.
Crossroad!
Wait.
Oh, you're going to get your Jamaican citizenship now when you don't know the 14 parishes.
Wait, they're just sleeping.
Guys,
Do you know 14 of them?
of course, what
Okay,
Jamaican
mention them.
would I be?
No, mention them.
What do you mean mention them?
Mention all the
Wait.
14. You see, she doesn't even know her own
I
parishes.
know.
She has to Google.
I'm not
No, please, no. So this bonus question, forgive me, because your own Jamaican doesn't even know all the
Okay.
parishes.
There's
Done.
Kingston,
Yes,
St. Andrew,
St. Andrew,
Portland,
yeah.
St. Mary,
Yeah,
St. Thomas,
yeah,
St. Catherine,
yeah,
Trelawney,
uh-huh.
St. Elizabeth, Manchester, where am I go? Did I say St. Catherine?
Yeah,
I said St. Catherine already. St. Anne.
you said that again.
No, Did I say Saint Anne?
I think you did.
I have to write them down so that I don't
see,
lose
ah.
track. No,
So-
I'm losing
So
track.
we're just the same. She also
We're
does
not
it.
the same. I just have to write them down because I get mix up and I remember which part I say. Clarendon. What else? I just get mixed up, but I know my 14 parishes.
Okay. Next week we'll be on to the Zimbabwean one.
Yeah, and then I'll be the one in the hot seat. Do share, like, subscribe, help us build this channel. And thank you so much for always watching and supporting us.
Thank you. Remember to buy us a coffee.
We already asked for a coffee.
Ah, okay. By the way.